this video, I will show you how to fix Android battery draining after update. So if you're facing such error, first of all what you should do is update your applications. After your operating system update, the applications might have become incompatible with your device and causing the battery drain. So simply open up your Play Store, then click on your profile in the top right corner. Then scroll down below, here you will find Manage App and Device. Then click on Updates Available. From here, update the necessary apps. After that, what you can do is simply go to Settings. In the search bar, search for Battery. Then click on Battery Uses by App. Scroll down below. Here you can see the list of apps that uses the most batteries. Simply click on the app. Scroll down below. Here you can find power consumption controls and simply click on restrict background activity if it's consuming too much of your battery, or you can simply click on smart modal if it is available in your phone. You can go to any other app and from here, if allow background activity is selected, you can simply click on smart mode or restrict background activities. Now one final thing that you can do is clear your system cache. To clear it, simply click and hold on to your power button. From here, this power menu will appear. Simply scroll it up, then your phone will restart and any system cache will be cleared. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.